Hey there, fellow business owners. Have you ever wondered how to ensure your masonry business is well protected from the unexpected? You know, accidents, injuries, and those all moments? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into the world of mason insurance tailored just for you. Ever thought about how to secure your brick and mortar dreams? Stick around. Now, here's the deal: you're a mason or bricklayer, crafting impressive structures and turning bricks into art. But, amidst all the creativity, have you thought about safeguarding your hard work? That's where Mason Business Insurance comes into play. So, let's explore the step-by-step guide on how to get insurance for your mason business in the United States. Step 1. Assess your business risks. First things first, let's assess what's at stake. Your insurance coverage will depend on the nature of your projects, where you work, and even the vehicles you use. Are you building towering skyscrapers, charming houses, or perhaps a mix of both? And speaking of location. Step 2. Determine your project locations. Whether you're building in bustling cities or tranquil towns, the geography matters. Different areas might have unique insurance requirements, so it's important to know the lay of the land before diving in. Step 3. Pick your insurance packages. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty, choosing your insurance packages. Here's where our friends at Next Insurance come in. They're your one-stop shop for mason insurance. Their packages are like a tailor-made suit, fitted to your needs. General liability insurance. General liability insurance, the foundation of your coverage. It's like a safety net against the unexpected. Accidents can happen, right? If someone who's not an employee gets hurt on your watch, or you accidentally damage property that isn't yours, this coverage has your back. Contractors E&O, errors and omissions. But wait, there's more. Ever had a project disagreement that felt like a puzzle with missing pieces? Introducing Contractors E&O, or Errors and Omissions Insurance. If you're accused of making a mistake that leads to financial losses for others, this coverage can be your secret weapon. Commercial auto insurance. Let's hit the road with commercial auto insurance. Now, you might own vehicles for business use, right? Personal auto insurance won't cut it if you're zipping around in company vehicles causing accidental fender benders. This coverage helps you handle medical expenses and property damage when you're behind the wheel. Tools and equipment coverage. Got gear? Then you'll love tools and equipment coverage. Whether your tools are in your truck, on a job site, or even borrowed, this add-on to general liability insurance ensures your tools are protected against damage or theft. No more sleepless nights worrying about your prized tools. Commercial property insurance. Your business's home sweet home, or should I say, commercial property. If you own or rent a space for your masonry business, this insurance steps in when things go awry. Damage to your equipment, inventory, or even the building itself. Commercial property insurance is your guardian angel. Step 4. Bundle and save. Now, let's talk smart savings. The more, the merrier. Bundle 2 or more policies with Next Insurance and save up to 10% on your premiums. And you can save up to 25% in discounts on business insurance. It's like getting a bulk discount on peace of mind. Step 5. Crunching the numbers. But hey, how much does all this protection cost? Good question. Mason business insurance expenses can vary. Factors like project types, locations, and vehicle usage influence the costs. It's like investing in your business's safety net, you decide how much you're comfortable with. Step 6. Meeting mason insurance requirements. Heads up, fellow masons. Insurance is often a must in the industry. Whether you need it to secure a project, meet local regulations, or simply ensure your business's stability, it's the key to unlocking opportunities without the worry. So, there you have it, your step-by-step guide to getting insurance for your mason business in the United States. Remember, it's all about building not just with bricks, but also with a safety net that supports your growth. Don't wait for the unexpected, take the proactive step to safeguard your masterpiece. Connect with Next Insurance, explore your options, and take control of your business's future. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.